गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आपकी स्कूल बंद है, फिर भी आपकी पढ़ाई शुरू है। मैं जरीना अब्दुल परकार, कस्तूरबा क्रॉस रोड नंबर 2, मुंबई पब्लिक उर्दू स्कूल बोरीवली ईस्ट से आपका वर्चुअल क्लास में स्वागत करती हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों। आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 8 का मैथमेटिक्स सब्जेक्ट का डिस्काउंट एंड कमीशन लेसन का सेकंड पार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। फर्स्ट पार्ट हमने उस दिन डिस्काउंट के बारे में जान लिया था, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट डिस्काउंट। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी अबाउट कमीशन। सो आज के दिन की शुरुआत हम एक अच्छे से कोटेशन से करते हैं। टुडेज कोट इज, without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement and success have no meaning. जब तक आपने कंटिन्यूअस लगातार अपना ग्रोथ नहीं किया है, प्रोग्रेस नहीं किया है, अपने आप को इम्प्रूव नहीं किया है, देन आपके जो ये अचीवमेंट है, सक्सेस है, ये आपके सामने कोई मायने नहीं रखते। So you have to do continuously, लगातार आपको मेहनत करनी है। So what you are going to learn today, you will able to calculate commission percent when prize are given. You are going to calculate commission percentage and find out the real amount. And you are able to calculate a rebate also. Why you are doing all these things? Because this learning is needed in your day-to-day life. Yes, students, this is very much needed nowadays. So, what is commission? So, a person is a mediator. You can see over here. He is a buyer and he is a seller. So the person between buyer and seller is known as commission agent, and he takes commission from both of them in the form of rupees. ये commission जो होता है वो in the form of rupees होता है, लेकिन ये भी बात आपको याद रखनी है कि it is always said in the form of percent. कभी भी डायरेक्ट नहीं बोला जाता है कि इस पर आपको 10,000 मिलेंगे या 20,000 मिलेंगे. इट इज़ ऑलवेज सेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ परसेंट. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज कमीशन. कमीशन कैन बी डिफाइंड एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ पेमेंट इन फॉर सर्विस और प्रोडक्ट सोल्ड, एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट इज सोल्ड बाय द एजेंट. दिस इज यूजुअली डन टू मोटिवेट and reward the salesperson. If you give good commission, then the commission agent will be motivated. What he is going to sell the good of a company to the customer or the end user, and the person provides such type of service is called as commission agent or a broker. Yes, you can call that person as a broker also. So commission is decided in term of percentage. As I told you, the rate of commission varies according to the type of goods. So we'll see how to calculate the commission. There is an example. Shruti sold a land for rupees 3,50,000 rupees to Mr. Suhas through a broker, and the broker receives 2% brokerage from both. Now you have to find the total brokerage received by the broker. See, the price of land is 3,50,000 rupees and the brokerage is 2% only of 3,50,000 rupees. So 2% of 3,50,000 rupees means 2%, 2 upon 100. Of is replaced by multiplication sign and 3,50,000 rupees. So when the zeros of numerator and denominator will go, the remaining amount is 3500 is multiplied with 2, you will get 7000 rupees. So this is 2% of 3,50,000 rupees. Now the broker is going to take brokerage from both of them, from Shruti and from Suhas. So 7,000 rupees he is going to get from Shruti and 7,000 rupees he is going to get from Suhas. So total amount he is earning is 14,000 rupees. 7,000 plus 7,000 is 14,000 rupees. Therefore total brokerage received by the broker is 14,000 rupees. So it is such an easy calculation. Only you have to calculate 2% of 3,500. Now let's see in next example. Example number 2. Ramesh sold 10 quintal of rice. Now see, here there is a selling of rice. So Ramesh is selling 10 quintal of rice. 10 quintal means 10 bags of 100 kgs. How, and per bag price is 4,050 rupees per quintal, though through an agent. The commission was paid at the rate of 1%, and you have to find the amount Ramesh received after the selling the rice. Okay. So now how we'll calculate this? See, the selling price of 1 quintal is 4,050 rupees and he sold 10 such bags, 10 bag of rice. So the total amount is 40,500 rupees is the selling price. Now the commission rate is only 1%. Therefore commission is equals to 1% of 40,500 rupees, because total selling price is 40,500 rupees. So 1% of 40,500 rupees. So that comes to, if you cancel the numerator and denominator zeros, you will get 405 rupees. So 405 rupees is the commission, only 1%. Now amount received by Ramesh after selling rice will be selling price of the rice, total 10 quintal rice, minus commission, because he has to give that agent this 405 rupees he is giving to that agent. So how much amount the Ramesh is going to earn after selling 10 quintal is 40,500 rupees minus 405 rupees. So it comes to 40,095 rupees. So after selling the rice, Ramesh receives rupees 40,095 rupees. This is the total earning of Ramesh. Now let's see what is rebate. Now you came to know about commission. Now we'll see about rebate. So rebate, it is a type of discount only that is given by the government organization on special occasion to attract customers. This monetary compensation is known as rebate, and it can also be defined as a partial refund to someone who has paid too much for tax, rent or a utility. So both the time it is known as rebate. You might have heard for income tax rebate. This type of words you might have heard. So this is also one type of discount where you will get discount amount rupees in the form of rupees. This is also in the form of percent. Now we'll say how to calculate rebate. From a handloom store, Sudha purchases the following item. She purchased 2 bed sheet for rupees 375 each. So each bed sheet is for 375 rupees. So she purchased 2 such bed sheets. Second, she has purchased floor mat for rupees 525 each. So on the purchase she receives a rebate of 20%. Find the total rebate and how much should Sudha pay to the shopkeeper. You have to find out the rebate. 2% rebate, 20% rebate you have to find out, and you have to find out how much Sudha has to pay to the shopkeeper. Now say here, cost of 2 bed sheet will be, 1 bed sheet is for 375 rupees. So 2 bed sheet will be for, yes, it will be for 750 rupees. Similarly, cost of 2 floor mats will be, 1 floor mat is for 525 rupees. So 2 mats will be for 1050 rupees. So total cost of item purchased will be 750 rupees for bed sheet and 1050 rupees for floor mat. So together it comes to 1800 rupees. So this is the total amount of purchase. The total rebate. Now see, actually the total amount is 1800 rupees. But what she is going to take the rebate? 20% rebate she is going to get. So we have to find out 20% of 1800 rupees. So 20% of 1800 rupees. Here again the numerator and denominator zeros will go off and 18 will be multiplied with 2. So 18 2s are 36 and this 0. So it comes to 360 rupees. So she is going to get 360 rupees discount rebate. So how much she has to pay now? Instead of 1800 rupees, now she will pay 1800 minus 360 rupees. So Sudha is going to pay to the shopkeeper 1440 rupees. So see, the 1800 items she has got for 1440 rupees. So this is a form of discount only, but it is a government discount, therefore it is known as rebate. Now we'll see, I'll give one question to you. John sold books worth rupees 4500 for a publisher. For this he receives 15% commission. Now you have to complete, you can see the boxes are there on the screen. You have to complete the following to find the total commission John obtained. Now see here, selling price of books, you have to guess. What is the selling price of book? You have to find out rate of commission. See, everything is there in the question. So here in such type of questions, you have to read and observe, and you have to keep in mind what is given in the question. So here, see the selling price of books. What is the selling price of book? Yes? Yes. Okay. So, yes, you are right. It is 4500 rupees. And what is the rate of commission? See in the question. It is given in the question. Yes, very good. It is 15%. So now commission obtained. As I told you, you have to find out 15% of 4500 rupees. So what will come in these boxes? 15% of 4500 rupees. So here what will come? Yes, very good. 15% means 15 upon 100. and 15% of which amount? 4,500. Yes, so here 4,500 will. So here also the zeros of numerator and denominator will go, and you will get 45 into 15 is, yes, 675 rupees. So likewise you can calculate commission and rebate. Now see the next example. Now you have to answer for this. Use the given information and fill the boxes with the suitable numbers. You can see the boxes. Now here is your question. Deepa purchased a house for rupees 7,50,000 from Leela Ben through an agent. Agent has charged 2% brokerage from both of them. So now Deepa paid. How much Deepa will pay? See, read the questions properly. What is the cost? 7,50,000, right? And what is the brokerage commission? 2%. So what you will calculate here? Yes, very good. So here it is 2% of 7,50,000 rupees. So 7,15,000, and here 2 upon 100, 2%. So it comes to, when 0 will go off, it will remain 7,500 rupees into 2. So that will be 15,000. Very good. Well done. Now, how much Leela Ben paid broker of rupees? Because he is taking from both of them. So Deepa paid 15,000 rupees. So Leela will also pay how much? Yes, very good. She will also pay 15,000 rupees. Now, both of them has paid 15,000. So how much total amount that broker is going to receive? Yes, very good. It is 30,000 rupees. Now, the cost of house Deepa paid is, Deepa purchased for 7,50,000 rupees, and she paid 15,000 rupees to the broker also. So total she expend how many rupees? 7,50,000 and 15,000. So how much it comes to? Yes, very good. It is 7,65,000. Now, after selling, Leela Ben is going to receive how much amount? So she is paying to broker 15,000 rupees, and she has sold that house for 7,50,000 rupees. So out of that 7,50,000 rupees, she has to give 15,000 to the broker. So what amount will comes? Yes, very good. The selling price of house for Leela Ben will be 7,35,000, because 15,000 will be subtracted from 7,50,000. So now the concept is clear in front of you, how the commissions are calculated from the buyer point of view and from the seller point of view, and what amount the commission agent is going to get. So for all three persons, now it is clear for you how it is calculated for buyer, for seller, and for commission agent. Now, I feel the things you have clear in your concept, all the concepts has been clear in your mind. So I gave some assignment. So here is your assignment. You have to solve these three questions, which are very easy if you will concentrate on the amount and what is given in the question. So read all these 3 questions carefully and find out what is given in the question and what to be find out. So I hope you have understood everything. Thanks for listening, and you can have the same lesson on YouTube. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.